Last month, I said that February might have been the start of a crazy market. Well, the March stats show that I was right. Here's your Toronto real estate market update. If you want to stay up to date with the market, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give me a like while you're here. In the city's core, there were 1,287 sales. That's up 30% from February. That's a big boost in sales and marks 2 consecutive months with big jumps in buyer activity. We're still down a lot from 2022, a 39% year-over-year decline, but things are fairly similar to what we last considered normal years, like 2018, 2019, and early 2020. The number of new listings increased by 26% from February and are down 29% compared to last year. Total available inventory is up from last month by 11%, but up substantially compared to last year, 48% more inventory, but that trend will change in the coming months. More on that soon. We saw even more buyer activity in the areas immediately outside of the core. Sales are up a ton from last month, 55%, while new listings increased, but only up by 35%. Active inventory is also up by 7%. This is another month where we saw larger gains in sales than in new listings and active inventory, which is a problem for buyers because it means rush showings, hasty offers, multiple offers, and increasing prices. We need a big supply of properties for sale, otherwise we'll see large price gains over the coming months. By the way, April 2022 is when the trend of declining sales started, so I believe that a month from now, I'll be telling you about sale increases year over year, and that's something that hasn't happened for quite some time now. I'm Jamie Harnish, Toronto Real Estate Navigator with Bosley Real Estate. I appreciate your time, I appreciate you watching. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any upcoming market update videos.